boy T. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that sub button, notification bell, and all that good stuff. Today we have a little bit of a cheaper box. This was an $1,100 box, so it's not as expensive as that $2,300 box we opened up with the Union ones in that last video. I'm still high off that box. A little cheaper, but these are some pretty good price range boxes too. They bring back pretty good return on investment. So we'll jump in, man. Y'all know I don't like to waste too much of you guys' time. 1,100 bucks, so it's, I guess, $10.50 plus the $50 for the shipping from Soul. I haven't had no statement boxes. I think their website is down. I don't even know if they have memberships no more. I don't know what's going on with that. They haven't charged me a membership fee, so I'm assuming they just shut the whole program down. If you know anything about that, DM me and let me know. I know some few of y'all that follow me on Instagram that are members of that statement situation. I don't know what's going on. I hit them up, but I haven't heard nothing back. We are about to jump in this one though. We got a Jordan 11 in an orange box. This is a 7Y. All right, we got some Concord 11s. Looks to be dead stock. Size 7, 45 on the back. Super clean. When it comes to Jordan 11s, 1s, Yeezys, even Dunks nowadays, like, they're gonna move almost instantly, especially being dead stock. We have a Air Max 95 in a size 9.5. The Greedies had these before. Air Max 95 is a classic shoe. These are pre-owned, as you can see. But I like these due to all the different colors you get it. All the different colorway are, I guess, all combined in one shoe. I don't know how they had came up with these, but you get a little bit of everything in these. Check them out. Air Max 95s. Let me get this Nike box out the way. I got a Nike box, look kind of interesting. Check is etched out. And it's a dunk. A Nike Dunk Low by Michael Desmond, size 12. These look to be dead stock. These are dope. These are some dunks I've never seen before. Look at the leather on here. It looks to be etched out laser designs all throughout the shoe. These are crazy. I like the color of them. Size 12 dead stock. Check out the details in there. These are sick. Man, that leather feels good. That's some premium material right there. Look like they came in a pack. Check out the box on the back. There's like 3 boxes showing you how to detach them. So I'm assuming this came in a pack. Size 12. Interested to see what those go for. Let's get this box out there. Man, I got a KD box. I'm never enthused when I get KDs. KD 7, size 11.5. Calm Before the Storm. I had these before, so I know the nickname. I used to have these in my personal collection, actually, when they first dropped. Check these out. These are pre-owned, size 11.5. KD, in my opinion, the best scorer in the NBA. We had this conversation the other day. Who would y'all pick, man? Now, if y'all had to build your own team, and you had your first pick, who you picking? LeBron, KD, Curry? Who y'all picking? My pick was KD. The dude is just the best scorer I've seen in a long time. Can score from anywhere. So that's who I pick. Who would y'all pick? Because we was having that debate, and I'm curious, man. I'm not no LeBron hater, but KD can score. Nike Dunk Low Retro. So we got some more dunks in the 9.5. Look to be dead stock. I do not know the nickname to these, or maybe I do. They have a StockX tag in here. These are the Nike Dunk Low Championship Reds, according to this stock X tag, size 9.5. These are dope. Simple colorway, a little red and white, red bottom. Very, very nice. Check them out. Dunks, 1s, Yeezys, 11s. They gonna move. They gonna move. It's too easy to sell them nowadays. I'm way at the bottom of the box. But we got 3 pair left. We got a Nike React Element 87. Now I see why these are at the bottom of the box. Remember these? Shoe of the year. Everybody was in love with, including myself. These are dope. Man, you gotta have a strong sock game to rock these. Please do not rock these without socks. Dead stock, light bone joint. Shoe of the year like in 2018, 2019. Must have been 2018. Oh, these got a B grade stamp on here. They have a B grade stamp. I'm not even gonna be able to get that on camera, but these are B grade. I will look and see what the flaw is with them. If it's even something I can see. Off top, I don't see anything wrong. I'm gonna take a closer look. But they both have that B grade stamp on the tag. I'll put it down below if I can figure out what the flaw is. Dead stock pair of those, even though they're B grade, still a great pickup. I got 2 boxes left. I will say that to last. I'm gonna get this out the way. A Jordan 11 5Y. They got this stamp on the top. I guess it's from a boutique. Cosmetic Seconds is the name of the boutique. Size 5. Concords. 45 on the back. Dead stock again. Between the 2 pair of Concords alone is probably 50%, if not more, than the whole cost of the box. These are both dead stock pairs that came in this box. Very, very happy with that. Even though they're kid size, a dead stock pair of 11s is just guaranteed money. All right, so I say these for last because they are a Jordan 1, Air Jordan 13, or Air Jordan 1 size 13. I made y'all wait for nothing, my bad. Replacement box. We got the Raptor 7s. Raptor 7s. Dusty. These need a good clean. These are one of the best colorways in a 7. When the True Flights came out, I feel like it just killed the 7s. Everybody was like, it can't, from a distance, True Flights or 7s. Like, man, they messed it up. They could have kept that. These right here are a size 11. I don't know if I told y'all that. Obviously a replacement box. Not a bad pickup, not a bad pickup at all. We'll need to clean those. No box with those. Everything with the box will ship with its original box. Make sure y'all follow the Instagram page. A lot of stuff up there that has not been in videos, just because I don't shoot videos for every single box that comes in. Appreciate all the love on IG and on eBay. Been selling a lot on eBay, Instagram, and of course on the channel, man. So make sure y'all sub. I didn't want to make y'all wait a whole month before I posted another video. Hopefully we have another box coming in soon. I had a few come in, but I didn't shoot videos for them. I just opened them, posted them, and put the inventory up. So I didn't shoot videos for them, but hopefully I have a new box come in so I can keep the videos up for y'all. Make sure you hit that sub button, bell, and all that cool stuff. I'm gonna quit wasting y'all time. I'm out. Peace.